Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be running through how to disable Bitlocker. Now for those who don't know, Bitlocker is Microsoft's encryption software. With the latest version of Windows 11, Bitlocker is turned on by default. Now most people don't even know that this exists, basically until it's too late. You may have an issue with a Windows update, you may have an issue with a BIOS update. It could be a Microsoft account problem, but at some point you may turn on your computer and you will be faced with a blue screen looking for your Bitlocker encryption key. The majority of people don't even know what this key is. The key is actually a 48-digit numerical key which is stored on your Microsoft account. So I will cover how to access this key, and also I will show you how to turn off Bitlocker to save yourself a major headache. Firstly, if you do want to access your Microsoft key, you will find it at account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. I will put a link down below in the description. This page will display the relevant Bitlocker encryption keys associated with the relevant devices that you have. Okay, now so if you go back to your desktop and click on Start, then click on Settings. Then if you come across to Privacy and Security, and then look for Device Encryption. And here you will see that the device encryption is turned on. So now all you have to do is turn this to off. And in the other blue window, just click Turn Off. Now this may take some time just to run through, depending on how much information you have on your computer. But once it's completed, you should just be back at the device encryption page and the switch should be in the off position. Obviously, if you do have your Bitlocker encryption key and you want to actually leave this on, it's entirely up to you. But whilst doing computer repairs, I have customers that approach me with laptops on that blue screen. They don't know how to access their Microsoft account to get the relevant information, and basically they are stuck. And if you don't have that key, there is no way you are getting access again. So my advice to customers is just back up your important data, keep it somewhere safe, and turn off Bitlocker. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope that was helpful. So I'll catch you again in the next one.